Hi, good afternoon. My name is Julie Hubler. I'm running for Franklin County Commissioner. I'm the Republican endorsed candidate. I'm not a politician. I am a very concerned citizen who just simply needs to go through the political process so that I could become and serve, become a public servant. I'm an attorney. I represent small businesses, and I have 2 daughters in college, and my husband and I just celebrated 25 years of our anniversary that we met at law school. The reason I'm running for this office is I'm truly concerned we are spending way too much money that we do not have or we will not have because we have overtaxed in the past, and we're using that up. Before you know it, they're going to be talking about having to raise more taxes. Government control of small businesses, I see it day in, day out. All my clients, small businesses, they're struggling because they're just being drowned by the bureaucracy, more regulations, more burden on them. And thirdly, I'm really concerned about the jobs for our young families, and especially recent college graduates. Like I said, I have 2 daughters in college. I really want Franklin County to be a place where they want to come back and have a job and raise their families, and selfishly so that they'll be nearby me. So again, my name is Julie Hubler. It's spelled H-U-B-L-E-R. If you could go to my website, Hubler for Commissioner, it's all spelled out, H-U-B-L-E-R-F-O-R Commissioner.com, and please check me out, and I really hope to get your vote. Thank you.